Hi, it's Jess from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I've got a bit of a vintage haul for you this week. So I've got a few games that I picked up, which I thought had interesting elements, which I thought would be a little bit different to stick in a journal. So don't even know what half these things are, and you know, you can journal on the back. So yeah, I thought yeah, it was worth the money. And then even I loved the school cards. I thought they were very cool as well. So lots of ephemera there that can, you know, go in journals that are a little bit different. And you know, I might even use the box, make a journal cover. So that was really wonderful. And then I found this vintage game, and we've got the instruction sheet, and then you've just got a whole load of these. So you know, they're, is that two, is that one? Yeah, so it's big, just so this is a maze, and there's nothing on the back. And yeah, I just thought they were good. And the school cards, I love them. So loads of those, and some school cards as well, which are really nice. So yeah, nice bit of ephemera there to have something a little bit different in your journals. And then the final game I got is this one, and I've forgotten how wonderful this was. So we've got all these lovely little cards which have been written on. Some of them, there's some faint writing on them which just adds to the lushness of them. And then somebody's made their own, it would seem, which again, I like that. So then we've got the instructions, and then we've got all of these. And there was a bit of me that thought, could cut some of these out. And so they're like word strips, possibly, or I'll just cut them in half and put them in a journal. But they all got different words on, places, and we've got numbers. So yeah, I thought I could, you know, as I say, cut them up or not. So yeah, like that. Stuff of nightmares, that, isn't it? So that was my games. Oh, so I got these bags. So this was these all had postcards in, but it was the bags I wanted. I love the way it's discoloured. So I just took it to the desk and I went, you're gonna think I'm absolutely potty, but I don't want the postcards, I just want the bags. So can I have the bags, please? And she went, yeah. So postcards are 10p each. So she said, are you all right paying 10p each for the bags? I went, yeah, I'm happy to do that. So I got some nice old bags. Oh, and another time in a charity shop, this was on the desk, just on the, you know, the counter to pay. And I just love them. They're not particularly old, but they're postcards of old things. And I just love these illustrations. They're just amazing. So I might, you know, I might grunge them up a bit, but they're just, yeah, thought they were worth the money. So yeah, got them. And then I've got an old exercise book, and somebody's drawn in it, but they're all plain pages, and it's quite nice paper. So you know, I wouldn't even need to tea dye that. I like the colour of it. That's just fodder to go in a journal page. And I liked the colour of the cover as well. And then lastly, I've got a photo album, a stamp album. I do not need any more stamps, but I couldn't leave it in the shop. Just one happening. And it says there a date. I'll have to put my glasses on. It's old. That's all I remember. The date there is 1880. So, yeah, you couldn't leave that behind, could you? So we've got some lovely, lovely old stamps in here. Some of them, the pages, so I would say that this was the original pages, and these are ones that have been added at a later date. But yeah, some gorgeous stamps in there. So yeah, if we flick from the back, so yeah, there is somebody's added older ones. There we got some American stamps there, and yeah, just really like them. Really had to have them. I love them when they're like triangular and stuff. So yeah, but I don't need them. But you know, when is getting junk journal supplies ever about needing? It's just about wanting, in it. So yeah, so that is my sort of vintage haul. That didn't take very long, Jez. No, it didn't. So a nice little short video for you today. And this one, I can use the cover as well if I can ever work out how to get the blooming thing off. But she says then just doing that. Oh, and then, oh, it's like it's like a bulldog clip, isn't it? A really old-fashioned bulldog clip. Do you know, Dasher Dave would love that. He absolutely would. Right, so we might use that. So that's how it come apart. Oh, brilliant. And then that could be a journal cover. Not could, it will be. So, oh, I'm quite excited now. So yeah, I could turn that into a journal. And then I've got all these pages now. Oh, now that, I'm even more excited now. I think when I looked at it in the shop, I was like, oh, no idea how that's going to come off. Well, that was exactly how it came off, Jez. Absolutely brilliant. So it's quite stiff. Quite stiff, that. So I am very excited about that. How fabulous. Okay, so there we go. I think I just heard my son arrive for tonight's dinner. So I best go down and feed him. All right then. See you all again soon. Bye.